Hello fans of YouTube and my channel. Today is July 30th, 2010. Today's video consists of footage that was shot hours ago at 2:30 in the morning when a lightning storm struck our residence area. This is our story. Did we survive? I hope so. But probably not.
But there it is.
Yeah.
Unless it's raining over there. But I can't hear anything, so it's just got to be just just an electrical storm.
It's Jesus. He loves us. He's showing us his magical. He's David Blaine right now in the clouds.
Yeah, you can't see a thing, just a black screen. I could hear it.
That's so sick.
It's really far away because it took forever for me to hear that. It's not hot, it's not cold. It's as if it continues to be. As if life has given up and is starting over. Through electricity. The vent just went off. Everything is ending right now. 2012 has begun.
Hear a car.
Oh, Jimmy begins here, brother.
Sexual relations. I don't know why I said that.
Yeah, you kind of ruined it. Hey man, you okay?
Get out of the water. Whoa, that was a big flash.
My brother, it is said that when eyes first laid eyes upon the cities of Tri,
Whoa.
on
You
a
got
night
a
such
nice
as
flash
tonight,
behind you. That was sick. It was like a flash, yo. Like.
this is not a time to be exuberant. I am quite scared right now, for they said that when the beam of light shines on the sky, death is nigh. When the sky flashes silver betwixt the bukamuk trees.
Is electricity attracted to boners?
That's a Tyrannosaurus.
What is going
I
on?
just want to know, why is it every damn time that I turn this stupid camera off, the lightnings? Now where is that more rapid girl? Name what sings chim chim chirry chim chirry. Happened before.
But I fear what's to happen. Oh, happen before.
Boom, got it. Yeah, lightning.
This is such a sick trickle storm, bro.
I think I got the flash at least. I'm not like watching through the camera this time. Usually I do, but I'm not right now because it's big sky and
Big Sky, Montana? Hella skiing.
No.
Shout out to Joey Werner.
I'm not putting that in. Please just be right where I'm pointing.
The lightning, the thunder, that was giving me gas.
Dogs are getting pissed off now.
That's what they're called.
Oh!
No! You must not read from the book!
She's a woman. What does a woman know? I don't even know how much of this. I'm probably only going to use like 40 seconds out of this 10 minutes that I've already. Oh, got that one.
Is that a bolt?
Was it not?
moving towards the storm.
Oh, Gordy.
Close.
I sense it is getting closer to our presence. The trees are sweating blood. Trees sweating blood.
All spears of bow.
If we get like striking a house, they were no match for spears of bow. Oh. Search out the lightning, my yellow crocs. It has found it over there.
Why is it called lightning? Like, it's light, but what's ning?
It's not lightning, it's lightning.
No, it's ning.
It's the lightning.
It's the lightning.
Wow, that was like 25 little strobes. Oops, 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 oops.
Ow.
I got that. Barely in the very corner, but I got it. I'm really not going to want to like look through 20 minutes of
What's that?
black sky footage.
Did you hear that? I heard a...
It's the sound of a jet screaming from the sky as it meets the ground.
Dang!
A sudden wrench.
So I will see everybody tomorrow.